In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the total price filter on Vrbo. This quick tutorial will help you browse listings within your budget more efficiently. Let's dive in and make your vacation planning smoother and more budget-friendly. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Vrbo. So open up your web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever you prefer, and type in vrbo.com into the address bar. Press Enter, and you'll be taken to the Vrbo homepage, where your journey begins. Once you're on Vrbo's homepage, it's time to enter your search criteria. You'll want to input details about your upcoming trip in the search bar. Start by entering your destination. Is it a beach getaway, a mountain retreat, or perhaps a city escape? Next, fill in your check-in and check-out dates. This information is crucial as it helps narrow down the available options to your specific travel schedule. Finally, indicate the number of guests who will be traveling, so the listings can reflect accommodations that best suit the size of your group. With your basic search criteria set, the next crucial step is to apply the total price filter to hone in on properties that fit comfortably within your budget. Once the search results populate on your screen, look for the Filters option. It should be located towards the top of the listings. This is the gateway to customizing your search to perfectly suit your needs. Give the Filters button a click to open up a variety of filtering options. These will help you refine your search based on different preferences and priorities. What we want to focus on today is the price section. So, scroll down through the options until you find it. Here, you'll see controls that allow you to specify a minimum and maximum price range. You can adjust these sliders to set your desired budgetary limits. If you prefer precise numbers, feel free to manually input the exact amounts in the text fields provided. This feature is especially handy for ensuring that your search results only display properties whose total price fits within the financial parameters you've set. After you've adjusted the sliders or inputted your specific price range, take a moment to review the updated listings. With the filter applied, what you'll see now are only those listings that fall within the price range you've determined. This refinement means you can focus solely on options that are viable for your budget, saving time and reducing the clutter of too many choices. By following these steps, you've mastered editing the total price filter on Vrbo, allowing for a more tailored and satisfying search experience. Whether you're planning an extravagant holiday or staying budget-conscious, this method puts you in control of finding the perfect accommodation. Happy browsing!